Okay, going over more ideas about people in person and how people lost their constitutional rights, the first 10 amendments, otherwise known as the Bill of Rights. At this time, I would like to say I'm not an attorney, I'm not a lawyer. I have gone and looked this stuff up for myself. I'm presenting you with information, and I'm representing what I think about the information. So, with that in mind, let's go to the First Amendment. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people, not citizens, peacefully to assemble and to petition the government for redress of grievances. Amendment 2. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. The right of the people, not the persons or the citizen. The Fourth Amendment. The right of the people to be secure in their persons. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, not in their person, in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. The Fifth Amendment, no person, so everybody has this right, no person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime, unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger, nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, double jeopardy, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Look at this, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be witness against himself. You do not have to offer up any evidence that would incriminate you. So if you are speeding, you do not have to give them your license, insurance, and other documentation that will be used against you in the court of law. Moving on to the Ninth Amendment. The enumerations in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. Who retains the rights? The people retain the rights, not the person, not the citizen. The 10th Amendment, the powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution nor prohibited by it to the states are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. So the people have the powers preserved for them or reserved for them. Here's the 14th Amendment. All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges, not rights, the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. Nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. And this was mainly made into place so that they could have corporations become persons, and so that you could not deprive corporations of life, liberty, and property. But they've still been doing a pretty good job with the citizens. Okay, here's the 15th Amendment. Because after this, you will never see the rights of the people. It will always be the citizens. The right of the citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any state on account of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. But it's the right of the citizens. Here's number 19. The right of the citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any other state on the account of sex. So, they're just giving people the right to vote. Another one where they're giving the right to vote, 24, the right of citizens of the United States to vote in any primary or other election for president or vice president, for the electors for president or vice president, or for the Senate or representative in Congress shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any state by reason of failure to pay any poll tax or any other tax. Amendment 26, the right of the citizens of the United States who are 18 years of age or older to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any other state on account of age. So ever since they made the 14th Amendment, all the other amendments that have given citizens the right have only given them the right to vote, and that is it. This comes out of the book Constitution of the United States of America, Analysis and Interpretations. This is on the 14th Amendment. Right here it says, rights guaranteed, privileges and immunities of citizenship, due process, and equal protection. And this is how I think we lost our Bill of Rights, is because our guaranteed rights are guaranteed, so our constitutional rights are up for debate. And this is why you have constitutional lawyers who make lots and lots of money off of just constitutional law, just debating whether things are constitutional or laws are constitutional or not. And they still don't change. Anyways, my next video will be on statutes versus common law and people at the bar. Citizens I will delve in more into later, but please stay tuned and I will have that video ready for you shortly. Thank you.